Grüezi, buenos dias and hello. Welcome to the big numbers for September for Swiss Exchange and BME Exchange. As we close the third quarter of the year, we have many highlights to report. First and foremost, it has been an honor to welcome SMG, Swiss Marketplace Group, to Swiss Exchange. SMG has been the largest European IPO so far this year, based on the placement volume of around 903 million Swiss francs. We are very proud that SIX has once again confirmed its status as Europe's listing powerhouse with its exchanges in Switzerland and Spain. Having already welcomed the two largest European IPOs in 2024, Puig and Galderma, as well as HBX earlier this year on BME. SMG has joined the Swiss Performance Index SPI and has a free float market capitalization of 900 million Swiss francs. If the company's free float will increase, currently at 20%, the company might be a candidate to move up in the rankings over time. In this context, the annual index review at Swiss Exchange carried out in September saw the SMI return to its usual number of 20 stocks. MRISE, added as the 21st constituent end of June as part of its spin-off from Holcim, and after the third Friday in September, Sonova left the SMI as part of an annual index review. Speaking of the SMI, at the end of the month, it reached 12,109 points. This represents a performance of 4.4% since the start of the year. If we look at trading volumes on Swiss Exchange, the ETF segment stood out with over 66% more turnover than last month. In equities, we saw a 16.3% increase, and across all segments it amounted to 18.3%. Certainly driven by the triple witching on the 19th of September with the simultaneous expiry of options and futures. This has also driven the number of transactions up by 12.7% across all segments in September. Another highlight was that Optiver joined us as the 7th liquidity provider for ETF Quote on Demand, our leading on-exchange RFQ solution, further improving the trading conditions for our participants. If we look at product listings on Swiss Exchange, we had not one, not two, but three new ETF issuers joining us in September. Nordea, Waystone and Axion, a very warm welcome to all of you. What a great way to celebrate the 25th anniversary of ETFs in Switzerland. In September 2000, we were one of the first exchanges in Europe to launch a segment for exchange-traded funds. And it's been a great success story. A big thank you to our issuers, market makers, investors and partners for a quarter century of growth. Let's now look at the Spanish figures, starting with the IBEX35. The Spanish blue chip index has posted another increase last month, up 3.6%. Reaching 15,475 points at the end of the month, the annual performance climbs to 33.5%. In terms of trading turnover, BME recorded a month-on-month increase of over 35%, reaching 43 billion in September. Here, the fixed income segment stood out. With an increase of over 60% year-to-date, turnover on BME is up 17% and the transactions around 7%. The fixed income segment in Spain also saw very high listing activity. 363 new listings in September are over 4 times more than the previous month, and with 30.5 billion, the listed volume has more than doubled. In September, BME also launched European-style cash-settled options through MEF, the Spanish derivative market offering new alternatives and incentives for all types of investors. In an initial phase, the underlying stocks are Banco Santander, Banco Sabadell, BBVA, Endesa, Iberdrola, Inditex, Repsol and Telefónica. These were the big numbers of Swiss Exchange and BME Exchange for September 2025. Thank you for watching and have a good start to the fourth quarter.